Hi all, this is day 82 of my K8 CS prep journey. So I'm left with three examples to explain regarding fork. So I'll be covering that today. I'm going to complete this. So we'll be good with fork today. So there is one example you can see. Loop is running from I equal to 0, 1. Only two iteration would be there for I equal to 0 and 1 because it's less than 2. And there is fork, and then there is a printf statement, and it's a simplified code for it. So after each fork, printf is there, and we need to find how many printf would execute after the fork. So I've created the fork tree diagram on Excalibur. I'll show that. So basically this is the question, this is the code, and we need to find how many times printf is executing. So since fork loop runs for I equal to 0 and 1, there would be 2 fork in the code, and after each fork printf statement is there. So I'll show you the Excalibur. This is the fork tree diagram. This is the code. And this arrow is like, this is this equivalent code only because iteration I have breakdown in the for I equal to 0 and 1. You can see since I equal to 0 less than 1, there would be 2 fork, and for each fork printf would be there. So I've made this fork diagram. You can see here P is original process, then this is after first fork, this thing is after first fork, sorry, P and C1. And since for each fork printf is there, so printf I have written, it would print for the both the process. So after first fork, to print would be in the output because it will create the replica of original process, one for original parent and child one, C1. And after second fork, these are all the child processes, P, C2, C1, C2. It would be C3, sorry, my bad, but this is the newborn process, and original process would exist in the system, that's why it is on the left side. And for all the child process, there are 4 printf, and the original we have seen first fork, 2 printf. So total 6 printf would be in the output because for each fork printf is in the code. So answer is 6 printf would be there. It was very simple because just need to understand for how many times loop will run, and according to that you need to execute fork also, because for each I equal to 0, for each I equal to 1 value, fork would execute, and that is there are 2, so 2 fork would execute, and for each fork printf is there. So that's the fork tree diagram, and this is the printf, number of hellos actually would print, and output they are 6. That's it for this example.